I was always so used to so many products to keep my skin looking young and healthy. The moisturizers, the face creams, the night creams, the morning creams, the eye creams, the cellulite creams. Like seriously, it was killing my bank account and it was complicating my life. And so when I found the Pure Gardens Serum, I was so excited because it's simple. It really made my routine simple, and I actually got better results with it because it's all organic, it's all natural. Every single ingredient in here comes from nature, and I love that too. There's so many benefits to using the Pure Gardens Serum. It is so good for your skin, it's for your face and your body. It helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles, saggy skin. It actually helps with cellulite too, stretch marks. Anywhere that you might need some more moisture, like after shaving, you can put it on your face as well. If you've been working out and you're sore, it even has arnica in it, which helps reduce the muscle soreness. One of the reasons that this product works so quickly is because of the organic plant stem cells that are in here. This ingredient just changes the game out there in the beauty skincare market. Some of the other benefits of the Pure Gardens Serum is you could actually use it as a makeup remover, or if you have dry feet, it'll help soften your feet and actually reduce the soreness. So definitely use the Pure Gardens Serum on your arms. It'll help soften your arms, firm them up so you don't have that saggy skin, and then move on down to your hand. Keep your hands soft and supple, and you can actually use it on your cuticles as a cuticle softener. So if you have any dry skin issues, the Pure Gardens Serum is perfect for that. It helps soothe your skin, moisturize. You can use it once a day or twice a day. It's safe for adults and children. The Pure Gardens is great for your hair. You can use it as an overnight hair treatment to really moisturize your hair, or even use it for flyaways as like a natural gel for your hair during the daytime. The Pure Gardens Serum is so good for burns and bug bites, but most importantly, as you are losing weight, you want to apply it all over your body to help tighten the skin, especially in the belly region, love handles, all the way down, and your skin will look so much better. The Pure Gardens Serum is very concentrated, so a little goes a long way. So experiment with it because different parts of your body require different amounts. You can use this once a day or twice a day, whatever you need, but remember, consistency is key to see results. I'm really obsessed with Pure Gardens Serum. I cannot imagine my life without it.